Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to show you how to draw this. I haven't figured out yet what way it looks better, if it looks better without lines or with lines. And there's probably 100 things you could do different than I did for the shadowing of the twisted. So it's like a twisted triangle. And if you want to pause the video and take a screenshot of this right here, that's what you need to draw. I've already accidentally deleted. Maybe when I make the new one, I'll pause the video and you can do it. So we're going to use the polygon tool set on 6-sided. And I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to reduce that to 3-sided. Then click off that so you won't change that one. Go back to the polygon tool and get a 4-sided polygon, not holding down the control button, and just kind of angle it over. I'm going to make this one a little bit thicker than the first one. Now I'm going to set that right on top of that. Now, because I put this triangle in the center, if we bring an indexing line, that's a center. And I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate. And then I'm going to alternate C. I'm going to rotate it 120 degrees. And we get it there. That's all we need. Now I'm going to nudge this out of the way. And I'm actually going to have to bring this in so I remember which way to do it. You just need to draw 4 lines. So this first line with the 2-point line is going to go, it's kind of confusing because I erased the line, but it goes all the way down from this point to this point. The next line is going to go up from that point to this point. The next line actually goes from here all the way to, I'm trying to remember which way I did. No, that actually goes there. Let's back up here. So that line is continuation of that. So that one's right. This one goes from this corner to this corner. And then this one goes to the top corner. And then the only thing left is this one to here. So when you have that, take your virtual segment delete key and delete this line. Delete these lines. We want this to be a solid line across here. So we just have basically, and see how the indexing lines stop the color? We're going to still need the indexing lines in just a second. So this is what you need to end up with. Then we're going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to use a different color this time. I'm going to use this. I'm starting to like this burnt orange. And I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to leave it kind of solid, not going to do anything to it, but then I'm going to go and fill in everything else. And then I'm going to grab this part right here that's just that little triangle, and I'm actually going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to swipe out and make it go black, like the twist. But you don't want too much, so I'm going to zoom in here and just get a little bit of darkness. So now we got another one on this side, but this time I'm going to go up, and I'm going to add black. And this is what I was saying at the first of the video. You could do this 100 different ways and make it your own. Now I'm going to make this one solid. I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to hold down the control button. I'm going to just add some black, just kind of like a black cap. Whoop. Well, I hit no fill. So I don't know how many, I need to count how many I do. So there's holding down the control button. 1, 2, 3. Let's go 4. Do the same on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you pretty much got it. Let's get this out of the way. I don't think it's grouped together. So whenever you have something too close to that, I don't like using it, but you can use the freehand pick tool. And then I'm going to move that out of the way. I always go back because I don't like it. Now I'm going to Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, alternate C, which is going to put the rotation in the center of the page and rotate it 120 degrees. You don't really have to put any back minus front, but then we are going to take away the line by right clicking. And when I take away the indexing lines, that's pretty cool. It looks like it's twisted. I still like this color a little bit better because the darkness of the shadow. Anyway, I hope that kind of helped somebody somewhere, and thank you for watching.